Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a phone to a TV using a USB cable. First, we'll explore the various USB connection types you might encounter, such as USB-C, micro USB, and standard USB-A. We'll then identify the specific cables and adapters required for your setup, ensuring compatibility between your devices. Next, I'll guide you through the simple steps to mirror your phone's screen onto your television. Finally, we'll cover some helpful troubleshooting tips to address any potential connection problems. Understanding the different USB cable types is crucial for a successful connection. Most newer Android phones utilize a USB-C port, offering versatile connectivity. Older Android models commonly feature a micro USB port. For iPhone users, a Lightning connector is standard, and you'll need a specific Lightning to HDMI adapter, which then connects to a USB-A port on your TV. Your television will most likely have standard USB-A ports, primarily designed for playing media from external storage devices like flash drives. Now, let's connect your devices. First, make sure both your phone and television are powered on. Take your compatible USB cable and plug one end into your phone's charging port. Then, connect the other end of the USB cable into an available USB port on your television. On your TV remote, press the input or source button and select the correct input, which is often labeled USB or media. Your phone might then prompt you to allow data transfer or screen mirroring. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some common troubleshooting tips. If your TV doesn't recognize your phone, try a different USB port on the television. Ensure your phone's USB connection mode is set to File Transfer or MTP if you're trying to browse files. For true screen mirroring, a dedicated M8 shell or USB-C to HDMI adapter is often necessary, as a simple USB data cable might not suffice. Always consult your phone and TV manuals for specific compatibility and detailed instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.